A Butter Bother by Denton. When Mum was making toast one day, she let my brother spread. "You can put the butter on yourself," she generously said. Well, he got some underneath his chin. He got some on his nose. There was butter in his belly button, butter round his toes. He spread it quick. He spread it thick. He coated everywhere. It was up his arms and down his legs. It was over all his hair. He smothered both his hands and knees. He buttered up his face. My brother did a thorough job and covered every space. 'Cause, like a good boy always should, he did just as Mum said. He put the butter on himself instead of on the bread.